All right, we're ready for part 3. We got some absolute value bars here, which that means we're going to have to deal with them kind of like parentheses, and parentheses are handled first. So 5 plus 3 times 4, that's going to look like this. 5 plus 12, and that's going to be 17. We got negative 6 divided by 2, that's negative 3. Plus 9, well, that is 6. We got 12 minus the absolute value of negative 4 times 3. So like I said, these are kind of like parentheses, so I'm going to go in here and do 12 minus the absolute value of negative 12. The absolute value of negative 12 is 12, so 12 minus 12 is 0. We have parentheses here, 18 divided by negative 3, that's negative 6, plus negative 7. Well, this is that scenario where we can do that. If you're not comfortable with that, remember you are adding negative feelings when you were already feeling negative. So this is negative 13, but like I said, you could do that so where it's negative 6 on a number line, and you're about to go negative 7 to negative 13. Getting a little uglier looking. We got the absolute value, and on the inside we have 5 plus negative 8. Okay, so negative 2, and then like I said, these are like parentheses, so we're going to do that. I'm recording at Panera. Sorry if the sounds are too weird or BB or whatever. 5 plus negative 8, that's 5 minus 8. That's negative 3. We take the absolute value of that, and that's just 3. So our answer is negative 6. Negative 3 squared. That negative 3 is in parentheses, so we're going to get 9 from that. Plus 4 times 2. Well, we're going to get plus 8 from that. We got 17. If you're a little confused on like the order in which I did that, it was okay to do the exponents and then the multiplying there, right? So I did that. And then the next thing I'd have to do was the multiplying, so I did that, and there we go. 2 cubed minus the absolute value of 5 times negative 2. So we have several things going on here. We have parentheses. These are like parentheses. They're like parentheses. So we can do what's inside of them. And so what we get is the absolute value of 5 times negative 2. That's negative 10. And then really we can go ahead and do this too. That is 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2. That's 8. We have 8 minus the absolute value of negative 10. That would be 8 minus 10, which is negative 2. Negative 4 squared minus 3 times 6. This is 16 minus 3 times 6. This is 16 minus 18. This is negative 2. All right, negative 2 cubed plus 12 divided by negative 3. So PEMDAS, parentheses first. So we can go inside these parentheses. 12 divided by negative 3 would be negative 4. And we can already go ahead and do these exponents. So negative 2 cubed is like this. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, like that. And now this is just negative 8 minus 4. We have negative 12. Negative 5 plus 7 squared. So this one might seem a little different because we have brackets instead of parentheses. Well, guess what? When it comes to the P in PEMDAS, there's parentheses, there are brackets, there are braces even. They're just different parentheses. So We are just saying, hey, let's go inside of these and do the math. So really, it's just -5 plus 7, which is 2. And then those brackets are there with squared. So it's just 2 squared. That's 4. So really, that was that whole little section. See you in the next video.